Hello everyone, I'm Ligu. Today's topic is find the ideal type of IU. I received so many requests for IU. I'm only looking at fortune harmony, so please don't misunderstand anything else. While analyzing the fortune harmony with the people in the picture, I plan to play a game to choose the person who fits the best. It's a game where two people play. Let's participate together. First, I will briefly analyze IU's fortune. I've analyzed it several times, so I will take a quick look. IU is a candle in her fortune. She has a lot of thoughts and a warm heart. And she has a slightly sensitive personality because she has a conflict with her fortune. She has two associations, so she's very affectionate. And even though she is in conflict with her spouse, she will meet a great person because she is lucky to be in her spouse's position. And IU is a very lucky person. She is the one who guarantees a rich life. However, among the energies needed in the fortune, there is no land energy and wood energy. Therefore, I will find IU's ideal type among the 8 persons in the previous picture on the condition that IU can feel her presence because of her clear female energy, and that she has the energy to be nice to women. The person who was selected may not be IU's real ideal type because it is analyzed among those who applied for the fortune analysis. But I will try my best to find out of the 8 people. Let's start the game. Those who participated in the game were 강하늘, 김선호, 타오, and 정국, 김수현, 도경수, 수호, 백현. Let's start the game in order of pictures. First is 강하늘 and 김선호. First, 강하늘 is a candle and 김선호 is an ocean. The sea is united with IU's candlelight. They all exist in women's energy and treat women well. However, Kim Sun-ho's woman is united and has a clear presence. So I'll give Kim Sun-ho more points. The first match is Kim Sun-ho's victory. Next is the battle between Tao and Jungkook. Tao's fortune says rain. Rain and IU's candles collide. Jungkook is the sun in his fortune. The sun is a powerful thing that covers the light of candles. They all complement the land energy in their fortune, but there is no wood energy. Tao's woman is a very shining being, but it's a bit difficult for the woman because it's her fortune to ask for her service. Jungkook has the energy to treat women very well. I'll give more points to Jungkook. The winner of the second round is Jungkook. The third match is between Kim Suyeon and Do Kyung-soo. Kim Suyeon is a jewel in fortune. Jewelry is a bit tricky, but it shines everywhere. Jewelry is burdened by the heat of IU's candle. It's raining from Do Kyung-soo's fortune. Rain and IU's candles are a crashing energy. Kim Sun-ho definitely has land and tree energy in his fortune, and the energy corresponding to women is clear, but he doesn't have the energy to be nice to women. Do Kyung-soo's self-energy is too strong, and there is no energy from trees. His spouses plays a valuable role in Do Kyung-soo. There is a blessing for women. However, the latter meaning a woman is a bit uncomfortable. I'll give Kim Soo-hyun more points for this match. The third match is Kim Soo-hyun's victory. Now we have the fourth match left. Suho and Baekhyun are all C in their fortunes. The C is united with IU's Candlelight. They are all good structures. Suho has the land energies that IU needs, and Baekhyun has the wood energies that IU needs. However, Baekhyun definitely treats women well, and the woman's energy is more powerful. So I'll give Baekhyun more points. The fourth match was Baekhyun's big victory. Then, in the picture above, there is a match between Kim Sun-ho and Jungkook, and a match between Kim Soo-hyun and Baekhyun. Let's wrap up the game with two winners. My heart is pounding. The fifth match is between Kim Sun-ho and Jungkook. Kim Sun-ho is C from Fortune. The C is a good relationship with IU's Candlelight. Jungkook is the sun. Sunlight is not a good relationship because it covers IU's candle. Kim Sun-ho has the energy of a tree that IU needs and is very nice to women. Jungkook has the energy of a land that IU needs, and he is very kind to women. They all hang out with IU at the same level. However, I will give some points to Kim Sun-ho, who has a clearer female energy and is in alliance with IU's Candlelight. The sixth match is between Kim Soo-hyun and Baekhyun. Kim Soo-hyun is a jewel in fortune. Jewel is burdened by the heat of IU's candle. Baekhyun is a sea. The sea is united with IU's Candlelight. Kim Soo-hyun is sure of the ground and the tree energy that IU needs, and the woman energy. But he doesn't have the energy to be nice to women. Baekhyun has the energy of a tree that IU needs. He has the energy to be nice to women. And the woman is a very smart person. They all have similar fortune scores with IU. But I will give Baekhyun some more points. Then the last match is between Kim Sun-ho and Baekhyun. It's the final round. They are all C from Fortune. The C is united with IU's Candlelight. They all have three energies that IU needs, and there is no earth energy. It's really neck and neck. And they also have the energy to be nice to women. But in conclusion, Baekhyun's woman is a woman whose wealth is definitely present. The flow of energy around women is also slightly better. I'll give Baekhyun some more points. Through the 7 rounds of competition, the ideal type from IU's Fortune is Baekhyun. Baekhyun was chosen out of the 8 as a person who is a bit sensitive and fits IU, who is warm-hearted. Since they are so cool and great, I didn't rate them by fortune, but I just saw if they fit well with IU. So I hope you don't misunderstand anything else. Baekhyun speaks very well, so he can make IU, who usually doesn't talk much, and Baekhyun's woman is exactly located in her spouse's position. So Baekhyun has a spouse's blessing. Today, we played a game to find IU's ideal type. I only looked at the fortune side. I wish IU and all the 8 people mentioned before will be happy and successful in everything you do. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.